Hi, good afternoon to all of students. The yesterday discussion to the unit number first, fundamental of plant pathology. फंडामेंटल मीन्स अतिशय महत्त्वाचा, अत्यंत महत्त्वाचा. तर त्याच्यामध्ये आपण पाहिलं द डिस्कशन टू द yesterday they will be scope, plant pathology importance, and now today the start will be the next point, the history of plant pathology. चला तर मग आपण शिकूया, डिस्कस करूया, बघूया त्याची हिस्ट्री काय आहे प्लांट पॅथॉलॉजीची. नाव डिस्कशन टू द हिस्ट्री ऑफ प्लांट पॅथॉलॉजी. हाय फ्रेंड्स, गुड आफ्टरनून टू ऑल ऑफ यू. स्वामी रामानंद तीर्थ, मराठवाडा युनिव्हर्सिटी, नांदेड, affiliated to कै रसिका महाविद्यालय देवनी, डिस्ट्रिक्ट लातूर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ बॉटनी, myself Dr. V.S. चेटगे, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ बॉटनी, assistant professor and head. The yesterday discussion to the fundamental of plant pathology and definitions of plant pathology. What is meant by plant pathology? The next bit, scope of plant pathology, and next importance of plant pathology. Today now discussion the history of plant pathology advancement. याची आज आपण हिस्ट्री बघणार आहोत. हिस्ट्री म्हणजे प्लांट पॅथॉलॉजीला सुरुवात कशी झाली याविषयी, त्याचं पूर्ण लाईफ कशी आहे किंवा त्याचं हिस्ट्री कशी आहे याविषयी आपण आज डिस्कशन करणार आहोत. द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ रिच हिस्ट्री ऑफ सायंटिस्ट in the earlier 900s, H.A. Boley, the first plant pathologist at the university, was instrumental in the development of certified seed program in state. Did extensive the work on soil-borne diseases problem such the toxic soil, Fusarium wilt. टॉक्सिक सॉइल म्हणजे काय? रोगयुक्त असलेले, नाश झालेले, लोमटी रोगयुक्त झालेले किंवा आंबोडी रोगयुक्त झालेले सॉइल, जेणेकरून ज्या सॉइलमध्ये डिसीज काज झालेला आहे असा तो सॉइल. फ्युजारियम त्याला जर काय म्हणलेलं आहे, फ्युजारियम विल्ट असं म्हणलं गेलेलं आहे. कॉमन रूट रॉट ऑफ व्हीट अँड कॉमन रूट रॉट ऑफ व्हीट. व्हीट म्हणजे काय? गहू. कॉमन रूट रॉटला काय झालेला आहे, हा काज झालेला फ्युजारियम विल्ट. फ्युजारियम झाल्यामुळं काय होतं, विल्ट त्या रूट रॉटला फॉर्म झालेलं आपल्याला दिसून येतं. नाव नेक्स्ट, द लॅटरल सायंटिस्ट सच हॅज वंडा अँड विग्नार, द फर्स्ट फिमेल फॅकल्टी member at the ND Agriculture Experimental Station, carried out extensive work documenting the disease of the cereal grains across the state, while at NDSU, then for development is the gene for gene. Theory of interaction between the virulence genes in a pathogen and resistance gene is a host. Next point, the number of scientists have discovered to the plant pathology and number of scientists work have the plant pathology. The plant pathology is not a small group and a small study, that is the broad study of the plant pathology. Number of Indian scientists work have plant pathology, as well as the out of country the work have most of scientists to the work in plant pathology. The next scientist R.L. Kissing. R.L. Kissing was the first chair of the plant pathology department, was instrumental in the growth research and educational part of the department. He has a scientist the departmental instrumental growth of the रिसर्चमध्ये ग्रोथ कसं होईल आणि त्याचबरोबर एज्युकेशनमध्ये एफर्ट्स ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट एफर्ट्स कसं होतील याविषयी या किसिंग R.L. किसिंग या सायंटिस्टनी याच्यावरती स्टडी केलेला आहे. नेक्स्ट सायंटिस्ट हेरी लुक बोली was the first plant pathologist in the North Ductal Agriculture University, experimental station, born in the Indian and educated at the Purdue University. He found his was to the North Ductal as one of the original faculty member at the North Ductal in a agriculture college in 1819. He has agriculture college, work as agriculture college and Ductal agriculture experimental. The stations is a North Pondicherry University. He has a work of the lot of agricultures. He has very forwarded think of the scientist. He has agriculture college 1819. He has very forwarded and forward thick scientist and accomplishment very many. His first work ND is established in the causes and treatment for the potato scrap. Vanda and Wigner is the next scientist. Vanda and Wigner was born in Vanda and Wigner is born Malvik, then Vixens on the on December 5, 5 December 1895. The revised here Bachelor of the Science degree for origin of the state in 1950. He 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 majored in a home economics, botany and plant pathology, and Heroda H. Fleur is the next scientist is born 27 May 900 in Sant Pool MN. He received his MS degree from the University of Ministry in the 1922 and PhD from the Some Institute in 1929. He began his career with the USD. And went in Washington State University study of the feet. The digital pathology and virtual pathology. The next number of scientists. His work has I'm not a broad discussion to the short discussion to the number of theme. His work has to the pathologist. The virtual pathology, tail pathology, and experimental pathology, pus test, cytology, cytopathology, histopathology, folded cytology, hematology, economia and immunology, hemopathology, investigative pathology and diagnostic pathology, epidemiology, medical education and medical research, the medical information and biomedical ethics. The next blood banking, transfusion, medal, oral pathology, molecular pathology, fluorescent pathology, soot hybridization, flow cytometric and tissue culture, stem cell and research, ocopathology, scrap cytology, imprint cytology, and behind classification of many other medical allied area. The number of area is a pathologist work have a pathogens to they it. The next is a broad abroad to the country in a scientist is a work has the number of themes and number of point is a work have pathology, plant pathology, plant diseases and cytology. The many work have the concept in a pathologist. The next history of Indian scientist. The Indian scientist is a good scientist in India. Series of studies in a fungi, the mycology, including the plant diseases caused by some of the theme. The plant pathology started of the establishment imperial and agriculture, the institute, the Pusha Bihar, now known as the Indian Agriculture Research Institute. The first decade, the century. The next scientist is Indian. They have good food scientist E.G. Walter is the first imperial mycologist in Pusha Institute, regarded the father of Indian mycology and plant pathology. He suggested the control measure for a large number of group diseases such as wilts of pigeon pea, cotton, and sesame. The diseases of the plum, betel, sugarcane, pandey, potato, maize, groundnut, rust, and wheat. Number of leafy vegetables, fruit vegetables, cereals, and such as pigeon pea, cottons, sesame, oil seeds, they have infection to the pathogen. Is a E.G. Walter is the first imperial mycologist. They has most of work is a pathogens. The scientist. Then next point. Then next bit. He write to the classic book entitled Fungi Disease in Plants. Some is Indian pathologist where G.F. Dastur noted for the work on late blight of potato. The work has a late blight of Dastur is a late blight of potato. The very dangerous in a potato crop is a late blight. They total body is a blackish and kill have the pathogens is a blight. They total blight leaf as well as the stem and fruiting body. This nicely work has the Dastur. G.S. Kulkarni for investigation in wilt of cotton and smut of sugarcane. Major crop India as well as the other country to the wilt and cottons. They main food as a Indian is a sugarcane. The common disease is smut. The Kulkarni is a investigations cotton and sugarcane. Wilt of cotton and sugarcane. Wilt means blackish color to form in a cotton body, fruiting body as well as the leaf body. Dangerous in a wilt that is caused by the soil-borne fungus. By next scientist 1913 K.C. Mehta and made name of the study wheat rust problem in India. Later B.P. Pal and K.C. Mehta the started work has on the production and resistance variety. Other noted in India mycologist and plant pathologist B.B. Madhukar and R.C. Vasudeva and R.N. Tonda, K.S. Bhargav and L.M. Joshi, S. Sinha, etc. Indian is a maximum scientist is a plant pathologist. The few scientists is the discussion. The present in Indian Agriculture Research Institute is an active and center for the mycology and plant pathological research. They number of scientists, cytology and plant pathology, mycology and plant pathological research is started, and there will be the lot of work has the mycology in a scientist. The man of emphasis in the lead to the how to grow in healthy crop for more food production for the increase of the population our country. सातत्याने हे जे काही सायंटिस्ट आहेत ते सतत असा प्रयत्न करत राहिले की इंडियामध्ये या फूडची इन्क्रीज कसं करायचं. दे विल बी द ग्रोईंग इन द हेल्दी प्लांट्स अँड वन मॅक्झिमम type is successfully to the healthy crop to the Indian agriculture institute as well as the agriculture field. But the life cycle of the etiology, the causal organism, preparation in the nature and methods of the control. They have scientists one of try. I happy to the talking to sharing to you to the without chemical natural control to the crop disease infected to the plant body is a stop here naturally and control of without chemical in a diseased plant material the successfully in a Indian scientist that is the used to the biological control. Advancement that or progress to the India as well as the all country. This discussion to the country. Earliest observation on the plant diseases in Theophilus 300 BC. Descriptions and observation in plant diseases Pliny in 100 AD. The invention on printing 1440 AD. The advanced diseases, AD means advanced diseases. They discover of the discovered of bacterial by Lunuk, then systematic classification of plant diseases by Zelinger, the 1773, the AD, copper sulfate seed treatment for the grain, smut of Prevost, 1807 AD, bacterial nature of the exers by the Robert Koch, 1876. Then development of plant methodology for isolation of bacteria and fungi by Robert Koch 1881 AD. The next advancement, the study in a soil born of the diseases L.R. Jones the 1926 AD. And next one of most important to the advancement, solar heat treatment of lost smut in a feet by Luther and Sutter 1931. Publications of book Principal Plant Infection by Gumna and translated the English by Burley in the 1950. Thank you for the lectures. They any problem ask me, and good day. Have a nice day. Thank you. The number of students did not join to the Google Classroom. Please immediately join to the Google Classroom. Google Classroom immediately join करा. ग्रुपमध्ये तुमचा नंबर ॲड केलेला आहे, त्याचा स्टेप पण दिलेला आहे कसं गुगल क्लासरूममध्ये जॉईन व्हायचं आहे. काय प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर डिस्कस करा, कॉल करा.